When you shopped for your new car, you likely spent more time deciding on the make and model rather than your loan. And now, the new car smell has faded, but the high monthly loan payments have not. Connexus Credit Union has good news. If your auto loan is with another lender, refinancing it with Connexus can cut your rate and your monthly payment. In fact, someone with average credit could save $2,135 in interest on a 48-month auto loan by refinancing with Connexus. That's over $530 you keep in your wallet each year. The benefits don't stop with lower payments and a lower interest rate either. When you refinance through Connexus, you can request no payments for up to the first 90 days. And your new lower payments are even easier to make, thanks to the Connexus digital banking app. Get started by checking out our online auto refinance loan calculator to see how much you could save, or schedule a chat to learn more about the benefits. When you're ready, apply online or over the phone. If approved, you could be on your way to enjoying lower monthly payments. Let an auto loan refinance from Connexus help you get back to enjoying your ride. Who knows, you might even catch a whiff of that new car scent again.